So today I will do some numericals on electric field. It's clear. On Coulomb's law, some numericals already I have done. It's clear. Now you can see here, these numericals I have already done. Here, question number 9, question number 10, these I have explained. Now today we will do numericals on the electric field. It's clear. So you can see here. This is one numerical here, and this is given in your book. There are two charges. This, my voice is audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear hai? Yes. So now you can see here there are two charges A and B. One is A at the point A, this charge is placed 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. While at the point B, minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb charge is placed. And what is the separation between them? 5 centimeters. Now, because of these two charges, you have to find the electric field at the point C, whose distance from A is 3 and from B is 4. It's clear. So see here, this will be what type of triangle? Who can tell? This will be what type of triangle? Triangle obtained on joining points A, B, and C. Will be right angle triangle. Right angle at which point? At C. And why? Because these are the Pythagorean triplets. You know, these are the Pythagorean triplets. तुमको मालूम है 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. It's clear. Therefore, it will be a right angle triangle, and this angle will be 90 degrees. Now you have to determine electric field at the point C. Electric field at C. So as we know that electric field is what type of quantity? Electric field is a vector quantity. This is E is vector quantity. So how will you find the net electric field at C? C पर net electric field कैसे find out करेंगे? So what will you do? You will find the electric field at C because of A, and then electric field at C because of B, and then we will find out their resultant. अब ये बताओ, एक ऐसा चार्ज है पॉजिटिव चार्ज. It will produce electric field at C in what direction? तो हमने बताया है positive charge always produces electric field away from it. Positive charge always produces electric field away from it. Means it will produce the electric field in this direction. This will be the direction of EA. Now, while negative charge, this is the negative charge, it will produce the electric field towards, means this electric field will be towards it. This you can name EB. These are the directions. Now, how will you find their magnitude? Who can tell? Magnitude कैसे find out करें? कौन सा फार्मूला लगाएं? Which formula will be used?
Triangular law.
Eh?
Triangular law, sir.
कौन सा?
Sir, triangular law, paragram वाला, vector addition.
No. हम पूछ रहे हैं C पर इस चार्ज के कारण इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड आउट करने का कौन सा फार्मूला यूज करेंगे? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड आउट करने का कौन सा फार्मूला? हु कैन टेल? आंचल पटेल. गौरी मिश्रा. Yes, electric field due to a point charge. Electric field due to a point charge. EA equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. Now you substitute the value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q is given how much? 1.2 into 10 की power minus 8. और हमने बताया है in this formula we substitute value of Q without sign. Substitute value of Q without sign. No need to put plus or minus. It's clear. What is R? R is 3 centimeter, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 ka whole square. You can convert centimeter into meter. So when you will simplify, it will come out. I will not show the calculation. 1.2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Calculation I am not doing. It's clear? Now see here. In the same way, we will determine the electric field because of this. What will be the electric field because of this? So you can see here. EB equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9. What is Q here? Q is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. And what is R? R is 4 centimeters. So it is 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. When we simplify this, it will come out 9 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. But listen here. Here power is 10 की power 5 and here it is 10 की power 4. So here also you make 10 की power 5. Here also you make 10 की power 5. So how can you make 0.9 into 10 की power 5 Newton per coulomb? This is EB. Now you have to find the resultant of EA and EB. Resultant of EA and EB. What is the angle between them? Who can tell? Angle between them.
So 90 degree.
90 डिग्री. और जब एंगल 90 डिग्री होता है तो रिजल्टेंट का फार्मूला क्या होता है? तुमने को मालूम है रिजल्टेंट का फार्मूला क्या है? ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab cos theta. And when theta equals to 90, what will happen? This term will vanish. Cos 90 equals to 0. केवल क्या बच जाएगा? स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. So see here net electric field at C. So it will be क्या होगा net electric field यहां पर? EA स्क्वायर प्लस EB स्क्वायर. Now you can see here in EA and EB you have already made power same 10 की power 5 दोनों जगह. Here it is 1.2 and here it is 0.9. So हम 10 की पावर को तो शुरुआत से ही बाहर रखेंगे. 1.2 whole square plus 0.9 whole square into 10 to the power 5. When you will simplify, it will come out 1.5 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Calculation part I am not doing. It's clear that you can do with the help of calculator. Then you have to find the direction. तो देख लो direction क्या होगा. Here it will be somewhere here. This will be the net electric. This will be the direction of net electric E. If you take this angle equals to alpha. If you take this angle equals to alpha. So what will be tan alpha? EB upon EA. EB upon EA. अगर 90 डिग्री का एंगल है तब के केस में ये एंगल कितना हो 90. पर अगर हम अल्फा ये वाला लेते तब tan अल्फा क्या हो जाता है EA upon EB. So here I have taken this. So tan alpha equals to EB upon EA. So no need to write what is alpha because already you have shown in the diagram. इसलिए अल्फा क्या है there is no need to write. Tan alpha equals to EB upon EA. Now you know EB 0.9 into 10 की power 5. This is 1.2 into 10 की power 5. That is 9 upon 12. That is equals to 3 upon 4. That is 0.75. So alpha equals to tan inverse 0.75. 75 in 4 digits you can write this. Now by calculator you can see that for which angle tan is this. Calculator से हम find out कर लेंगे. So it is 36.87 degree. So whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you see one more question. मतलब अगर कई चार्जेज हैं और उनके कारण किसी एक पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड आउट करनी है, व्हाट विल यू डू? यू विल फाइंड द vector sum of the electric field due to the individual charges at that point. Vector sum of the electric field due to the individual charges at that point. It's clear? Vector sum find out करेंगे. It's clear? Now you can see here. I am going to do one more question. Here there are two charges. One is of plus 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and other is plus 10 to the power minus 8. This is minus 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. It's clear? And the separation between them is given 0.1 meter. You have to find calculate the electric field at the point A. And where is the point A? Point A is the midpoint here. At point A, you have to find the electric. These you can name as P, Q, you can name. तो अपने आप से नेम कर सकते हो. No name is given, so you can take P and Q. Now A is the exactly between P and Q. So what will be PA and QA? PA and QA. Who can tell? PA and QA will be equal to how much? 0.1 upon 2. That is 0.05 meter. It is 0.05 meter. It is clear? Now see here, what will be the direction of electric field at A because of this charge? Now you answer, Brahmin Raj. Direction of electric field at A because of this charge.
Towards B.
Towards
Q.
towards Q. Away from positive charge. Away from positive charge. It's clear. This you can take EP. It's clear. What will be because of Q? Because of Q. Since it is negative charge, therefore it will be towards Q. That is EQ. It's clear? Now no need to write anything here. Only you have shown that is enough. Now you find out EP and EQ. So see here. EP equals to 9 into 10 की power 9. What is Q here? 10 की power minus 8. And what is R? R is this. It's clear? Because what is the distance of A from P? It is 0.05. So 0.05 whole square. When you will simplify, it will come out 3.6 into 10 की power 4 Newton per coulomb. No need to mention about the direction because it is already shown in the diagram. It's clear? Direction mention करने की अब यहाँ जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ लिखना नहीं है, because you have already shown here. Now what will be EQ? 9 into 10 to the power 9. Once again, charge is same 10 to the power minus 8. Distance is also 0.05. Q से A तक की distance it is 0.05. Whole square. So it is also 3.6 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Therefore, net electric field at A, it will be equal to how much? How will you find net electric field? Deepshikha, who can tell? Yes, Shivam Mishra.
सर EP plus EQ.
EP plus EQ. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों की डायरेक्शन सेम है. अगर दोनों की डायरेक्शन सेम है तो सिंपल क्या कर देंगे? प्लस. दोनों की डायरेक्शन अपोजिट है तो क्या कर देंगे? डिफरेंस. आया समझे? डिफरेंस क्या हो जाएगा? बिगर माइनस स्मॉलर. पर यहाँ तो सेम है डायरेक्शन. सो इट विल बी EP plus EQ. So when you will add, इसको और इसको ऐड करोगे, पावर बराबर ही है. So it will become equal to how much? 7.2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Is clear? And what will be the direction? So now you mention here. Directed towards charge of minus 10 to the power minus 8. We will not write directed towards Q, क्योंकि Q हमने लिया है. Q क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया है. So directed towards charge of minus 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Now see here. Suppose you have to determine the electric field at this point. Here I have taken this point. This point is point B. It's clear. And what is given? This distance is given 0.05. Means ये point P है. P से इसकी distance कितनी दी है? 0.05. Now you have to find the electric field at the B. So बताओ, which two charges will set the electric field at B? So one is this charge and other is this charge. It will produce electric field at B in what direction? ये वाला चार्ज P पर जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस करेगी उसकी डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? अवे फ्रॉम दिस. Away from this. Why? Because it is positively charged. It is positively charged. मतलब कैसे होगा ये? What will be distance here? Arpita. What will be the distance? Manasvi Ranjan. Pratishtha. What will be distance? Satyarth Singh. Siddharth. Vivek Chaturvedi.
Sir, 0.05 meter.
0.05 meter. Now this charge will produce electric field in what direction? At B.
Towards
ये वाला
Q.
किधर करेगा? Towards Q. Means in this time. And what will be distance for this? इसकी
0.15 meters.
कितनी होगी?
0.15 meter.
Very good. 0.15 meter. And why it will be 0.15? You can see here 0.1 तो इतना हो गया and 0.05 is this, so it will be 0.15. So now you can find EP and EQ, but the net electric field will be equal to how much? It will be the difference of these two. EB हमने लिख दिया, ये EQ. Difference of EP and EQ. So that you can do. I am not doing. समझ में आ गया? Now see here. Then there is one more question. Here given. Now all of you wait. Now see here. Here 4 charges are placed and these are diametrically opposite. Diametrically opposite मतलब एक डायमीटर के 2 एंड्स पर है. This is A, C, this is B and this is D. Here it is given Q. This is 4Q. This is 2Q and 2. ये चार्जेज रखे हुए 4 point charges Q, 2Q, 4Q and 2Q are placed at the points A, B, C, D respectively on the circumference of the circle of radius. Radius is 2 centimeter. It is not 2 centimeter, 2 meter, and this is the center. Means if you see the distance of all the charges from the center, it will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 2 meter. OA equals to OB equals to C equals to OD equals to 2 meter. The value of Q is given 4 microcoulomb. 4 microcoulomb, that is 4 into 10 to power minus 6 coulomb. The lines AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. These lines are perpendicular to each other, means AC is this line and BD is this line. Means both the diameters are perpendicular to each other. Write the formulae for electric field. Here you have to find the formulae for electric field at the center O of the circle due to the charges. Means हमको just formulae लिखते. Electric field के formulae क्या होंगे because of the charges at the center. So see here, what will be EA? EA कितना charge है? It is equal to Q. And how much is the distance? Distance is OA. OA equals to capital R. It's clear. This you can denote by capital R. It's clear. So see here, what will be formulae? It will be 1/4 pi epsilon naught. जब फार्मूली लिखना है, फार्मूला लिखना है तो हम यहाँ 9 into 10 की power 9 नहीं लिखेंगे. Then you have to write 1/4 pi epsilon naught. What is the charge? Q. Distance is R square. Now what will be EB? कौन बता सकता? EB कितना होगा?
Sir, 2Q upon R square.
Q upon R square. What is EC? 1/4 pi epsilon naught 4Q upon R square. And what is ED? So ED will be D पर कैसा चार्ज है? 2. 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2Q upon R square. It is clear. This is the formula. Try vector diagram representing the 4 electric fields and their resultant. हमको एक vector diagram draw करना. So see here, because of A, each charge is positive charge. हर एक charge क्या है? Positive. Because of A, electric field will be this in this type. While because of C, electric field will be in this type. Now you can see here, हमने C की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का एरो लॉन्गर ड्रा किया और A की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का एरो शॉर्टर. Why?
Sir, because
Higher
EC
magnitude.
क्योंकि ये बिगर चार्ज है ना, जबकि B और D का जो ड्रा करेंगे बोथ विल बी इक्वल. B के कारण क्या होगी? इट विल बी इन दिस टाइप. and because of D, it will be
सर
these
स्क्रीन
two
नहीं
will
दिख
be
रही है।
नहीं दिखाई दे रही, अब दिखाई दी।
यस सर।
EB and ED, it is.
नो सर।
So what will be the net electric field? You can see here EB and ED both will be equal. Why? Because these two charges are same. And these two electric charges are same and distances are also same. Therefore, value of EP and ET will come out same. It's clear. Therefore, they will cancel out. And when they will cancel out, what will be the net electric field? Net electric field will be in this direction. E net equals to EC minus E. EC minus E. So in the question it is given, hence obtain the magnitude and direction of electric field at O due to all four charges combined. So you can find out EA. First you find out value of EA. 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q is how much? 4 microcoulomb. So it is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. And what is R? R equals to 2 meter. So this will be 2 square will be cancelled. 2 square is 4 and this is 4. Both will be cancelled. What will you get? 9 into 10 to the power 3. What will be EB? Who can tell? What will be the value of EB? It is 2Q, that is 2 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. 2 Q is how much? 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. What is R? So once again 2 square will be cancelled. 9 2 ja 18 into 10 की पावर 3. वैसे भी हम देख सकते हैं Q के कारण इतना, 2Q के कारण कितना हो जाएगा? इसका ट्वाइस. सिमिलरली EC, क्योंकि डिस्टेंस हर जगह सेम है, so it will be 36 into 10 की पावर 3 न्यूटन पर कूलम. And ED, it is because of 2Q, so it is 18 into 10 की पावर 3 Newton per coulomb. Now after this we can write here as EB and ED are opposite as well as equal. Therefore, they will cancel out. To each other. They will cancel out to each other. So what will be the net electric field? So net electric field O. So it will be equal to E net equals to EC minus EA. Now you can see what is EC. EC is this much and EA is this. Power is same, so it will be 36 minus 9 into 10 की power 3. That is 27 into 10 की power 3. That is 2.7 into 10 की power 4 Newton per coulomb and directed towards A. towards A. Now this question has been asked in bold. So this is clear. So now you can see here. You can do these questions here, not this. This question, these questions you can do. ये जो questions हैं ये तुम्हारी It's clear. जैसे ये हम क्वेश्चंस देखें डायरेक्ट फार्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 you can see two charges one is this are placed 1 mm apart दोनों चार्जेज इक्वल हैं और अपोजिट हैं and distance is 1 mm that is 2l is 1 mm calculate the dipole moment these are directly based on the formula. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 स्टेशनरी आयल ड्रॉप हमने बताया था स्टेशनरी आयल ड्रॉप है तो क्या लगाएंगे Q into E equals to M into G. So now